In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset suggested memories in Photos on iPhone. So I'm starting right from the iPhone home screen, and the first thing I'm doing here is opening up the Settings app. Once Settings is open, I'm going to scroll down through the list until I find Apps. There are a lot of options in this menu, so just keep moving down slowly until you see Apps, and once it appears, go ahead and tap on it. Now that I'm inside the apps section, I'm going to scroll down again because the next thing we need is the Photos settings. This list can take a moment to go through since all the apps are here, so I'm just continuing to scroll until I spot Photos. Once I find Photos, I'll tap on it, and that takes me into the settings for the Photos app. Alright, now I'm in the Photos settings, and from here I'm looking for the option called Reset Suggested Memories. I'm just moving through the menu until I see that exact option. Once Reset Suggested Memories shows up, I'm going to tap on it. This is the setting that starts the reset process, so once you tap it, you'll get a confirmation prompt before anything is finalized. At this point, the iPhone is asking me to confirm the reset, and now all I need to do is tap Reset. So I'm looking at the confirmation option and I'm tapping Reset to confirm. As soon as I do that, the Suggested Memories reset is triggered, and that means the action has been completed. That's really all there is to it. There isn't a long process here, but it does help to move through the menus carefully so you don't miss the option. The path is straightforward once you know where it is. You open Settings, go down to Apps, scroll to Photos, tap Reset Suggested Memories, and then tap Reset when the confirmation appears. Once that final confirmation is selected, the reset is done. If you're following along on your own iPhone, the main thing is just taking your time while scrolling, especially in the apps list because there are a lot of entries there. Once you get into Photos, it becomes much easier since you're only looking for that one specific reset option. Then after you tap it, the final reset confirmation is the last thing you need to press. I'm just pausing for a second here after confirming, just to make sure the action has gone through. Since the iPhone applies that reset as soon as you tap reset, there's nothing else you need to save and there aren't any extra menus you need to go into after that. Once the confirmation is tapped, you're finished and you can back out of settings whenever you want. So if you ever need to do this again later, it's the same path every time. Open Settings, tap Apps, go to Photos, choose Reset Suggested Memories, and then confirm by tapping Reset. It's a quick setting change, and because the final confirmation happens right there on screen, it's easy to know when you've completed it. And that's the full process for resetting suggested memories in Photos on iPhone. Just follow those exact taps in the Settings app, and once you hit Reset to confirm, the suggested memories will be reset successfully.